So when we talk about mini trucking style, we just showed you this beautiful little Toyota. But the mini trucking lifestyle and the mini trucking scene doesn't stop at mini trucks. Look at this Chevy full size behind us. Billets, billets. Body drop, body drop. Graphics, graphic. Shaved roll pan, shaved roll pan. My point is, mini trucking style, mini trucking lifestyle isn't just for mini trucks. This is a prime example of a mini trucking inspired built full size right here in this 4-door Chevy. We'll get into it. Graphics on top of graphics on top of graphics. I mean, look, I don't know if the camera picks this up, but fading away from the graphics is a whole nother graphic just in like, I don't know if it's synthetic glass or if it's just like a pepper flake. Body drop, laying all the way rockers. Big set of billet intros. Not too big of a lip, but still got some lip in the back. The graphics go over the hood, into the dash. And other than that, looking in here, guys, this interior is a stock interior just brought to the level of the outside of this truck with paint, upholstery. But they did something in this truck I hadn't seen. This right here. So the bed floor is done in bed liner, but the graphics were cut around the bed liner and brought into it. So you got this rough texture with this smooth, with the graphics, man. I love this Chevy, man. This is a super clean 4-door. Oh, something else you don't see. The billet door handles that have the graphic style of the graphics on the truck, man. I love it.